A drug bust on a Maple Ridge Superlab that resembles something from the TV show Breaking Bad. Millions of doses of MDMA seized, along with over $100,000 in lab equipment.
This is a 100-liter glass-jacketed reaction vessel. We had located a 200-liter, a 100-liter, and a 50-liter.
A Tesla, a Mercedes, and over 50 grand in cash were also seized, along with precursor chemicals to make fentanyl and the date rape drug. Search warrants were executed on 4 different properties throughout Coquitlam and Maple Ridge. The 49 kilos of MDMA were located at the so-called Superlab behind me here at this property in Maple Ridge. RCMP say they locate around 4 to 5 Superlabs a year. In this case, charges for 5 suspects include production of a controlled substance and possession for purpose of trafficking. Accused Dennis Alexander Halstead has faced drug and weapons charges before. He was arrested in a 2015 Vancouver police probe, which saw the seizure of nearly 24,000 fentanyl pills, roughly 20 kilos of cocaine, and 12 kilos of meth. In 2019, all charges against Halstead were dropped after a judge found his rights were violated by Vancouver police. This most recent bust occurred in 2022. It's taken 2 years for charges to be approved.
Before an arrest, an investigation is like a sprint where they're quickly trying to gather evidence so they can get the grounds to actually arrest these individuals. But after the arrest, it's like a marathon where they're trying to organize all the materials to make sure they've put together a strong enough case that it can actually win at trial.
The BC government also launched civil forfeiture actions against several of the suspects. The 5 men had their first court date today in Port Coquitlam and are due back in court on September 11th. Troy Charles, Global News.